In this video, we investigate the anti-cancerous benefits from eating strawberries. Strawberries are a field berry with a great potential for human health. Not only strawberries are a tasty option, they have been researched for their benefit to cancer and tumorous cells. The anti-cancer potential of strawberries was researched on humans as well as rats and found significant results. Side effects from eating strawberries every day in your life is low to non-existent, whereas their benefits are plentiful. The anti-cancerous and anti-proliferative abilities of berries has been known to researchers for some time. However, investigating a more direct link to certain cancers and the types of berries are being explored more now in the scientific realm. Researchers looked at a high fiber, whole food diet as generally being anti cancerous, whereas a diet low in animal fats, low in animal oils, and high in fiber, as well as high in plant foods, can provide a dose of preventative medicine when it comes to cancers from breasts, intestines, and colon. Now, there are a variety of fruits that are high in polyphenols, which are phenolic compounds that have potential for antioxidant and anti-proliferative abilities on cancer cells in humans. But what about strawberries alone? Strawberries are a beneficial berry for their ability to retrograde cancer tumor cells. Looked at strawberries in the diet of rats, and when their results were significant enough, they progressed to human trials. The patients were studied for 6 months, monitoring their diets and their esophageal cancerous cells. All patients at the beginning of the study had either mild to moderate tumor progression in the esophagus. Esophageal cancer is one of the most popular types of cancers for men and women, not to mention lung cancer. Back to the results of eating a few tablespoons of freeze-dried strawberries per day for 6 months showed that nearly all of the patients improved significantly in the group, some even getting rid of their tumors altogether in their esophagus. Well, that roughly translates to 60 grams of freeze-dried strawberries taken every day for 6 months was enough to show significant results to cancer cells in their esophagus. The antioxidant, polyphenolic, and anti-cancerous properties of strawberries can be used in your home every day. Now, using strawberries as a preventative measure against cancers, especially in the internal organs. Now, what are some ways that we can enjoy strawberries? Eating a cup or so, either fresh, frozen, or freeze dried, is always great options to implement in your daily life. So, enjoying them berries on top of your morning cereal, granola, or yogurt is another option as well. The researchers simply asked patients to mix the freeze dried strawberry powder with water to take it orally, such as that. Now, you can mix your freeze dried strawberries in any sort of liquid that you would want, and you can also enjoy it as a snack whole, as they are quite crunchy and sweet, as well as incorporating it into baked goods is very easy as well. If you are looking for strawberries delivered to your doorstep, there is a link below for a website called freshdirect.com, and they provide an online delivery service that you can get available here, which is freeze dried, frozen, or fresh, which is available direct for you. Thank you for all listening, watching, and subscribing. Please like and share my videos coming out weekly for videos for you, nutritional related videos that's vegan and has your health in mind. Thanks everyone and keep it vegan, y'all.